Hello, my name is Makeda Markets, and I'm here to talk about what is Builderall. If you peruse through my channel, you see that I have had a couple of videos talking about Builderall. So Builderall is a digital marketing platform featuring over 1,000 features and 50 tools used by business owners, professionals, influencers, agency owners, and marketers. It comes complete. Builderall has the internet's fastest and most complete websites with an email marketing system that has tracking systems that are integrated into sales pages for increased conversion rates. So that's fancy talk, but what it is it has an autoresponder built in. So you do not have to waste money once you have the landing page, sales page, website, whatever. You don't have to worry about paying for another autoresponder. Builderall provides you an autoresponder. It's called Mailing Boss, and we're currently on, I believe, 5.0. We recently just upgraded. Of course, it is top of the line. Builderall possesses an attractive platform to teach online courses. So for those of you that are looking to have a place to host your online course, you have the opportunity to use the latest technology and e-learning available on the market, all included in your Builderall subscription. With more than 100,000 users worldwide, Builderall is constantly developing tools for those who want to utilize online marketing to maximize any marketing strategy. So it is the go-to if you're looking to put your business on the internet. It provides you with, as I'll reiterate, 50 tools that you can use in order to market your business. Okay, using your Builderall also helps with reducing your risk margin. Builderall eliminates the need for several tool providers, so our users save money and get access to the best tools on the market. In digital marketing, timing is what determines whether a sale is accomplished or not. And Builderall has ample funnels, fully optimized and customized, that can be sold for top dollar. So Builderall boosts not just that, but the most solid affiliate program for serious affiliate marketers. Builderall's 2-tier affiliate program is currently in 100 different countries. So the chances that it's in your country are very, very, very likely. Builderall also has businesses all over the world using it, businesses all over the world using it that need an online presence to survive. And Builderall is the ultimate solution, providing tools people would have paid over $1,000 per month. And as you can see, when you go to our pricing charts, depending on what you want, I, of course, recommend that you come in with the Funnel Club. It's a little over $100, and you're again provided with more with tools that would add up to $1,000. This is just an example. ClickFunnels is one of our competitors that costs $100 on its own, and you still need an autoresponder. Okay, so an autoresponder, depending on how many subscribers you want, can cost you anywhere from $30 to $50. So Builderall has all of that built in with our one price point. As a Builderall affiliate, you get 70% of your first sale and 30% residual income. So for affiliate marketers, it's a great opportunity for you to get some residual income for providing a large group of people with the digital marketing platform. Builderall provides you with some pre-made funnels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in right here and give you an opportunity to check out the pre-made funnels in what is called the Funnel Club. Just give me a few moments to log in. The Funnel Club, oh, well, let's backtrack a little bit. A funnel, for those of you that don't know, is a series of websites optimized to promote the sale. It can be customized to support any sales process, and the funnel creation can be costly, often costing thousands of dollars. Builderall, for those of you that are new to the idea of a funnel, the Builderall provides you with pre-made funnels. So you have an opportunity to provide what costs in retail, thousands of dollars, you have it all there fully customizable for you. So they're able to go out to businesses and provide them with a funnel that costs thousands of dollars for your Builderall subscription of a couple $100. Selling just one of these funnels to a small business or entrepreneur, influencer, agency, showing agency owners will allow you to, of course, pay for your Builderall membership and put yourself in a significant amount of profit. So here, if you go over here, we have right here is the funnel club. Right, easy as you log in, right there, the symbol is right there, ready for you to log in. And here you have a video. I'm gonna pause the video for the sake of this video, but here you can see you have your autoresponder, your domain. So Builderall not only does it provide you with tools, it offers you an opportunity to purchase a domain. So you can purchase domains directly from Builderall. All of it is inclusive inside of the platform, which makes things so much easier for beginners. Okay, so it's a very beginner-friendly platform, whereas all the tools that you need in order to learn how to use Builderall are right there at your disposal. So scroll down, you can see it comes with training. So this is where you discover the funnel club and how it works, how to put it to work. And these are some of the funnels of the month. So what I want to show you is, I like the premium funnels. These are the funnels that we use in order to promote Builderall. Here we go. You can see we have a variety of different funnels, all with your affiliate link right here accessible for you to promote Builderall wherever you see fit on the internet. And there are several of them. Here you have an opportunity to promote it with and without a credit card. So without a credit card option is going to be more popular. It allows people to have a 14-day risk-free trial, providing them with all the tools. And it's a great way for you to allow people to promote the platform for 14 days, really get into the training and see that they're able to make a sale. Okay. And of course, if you join my team, this is just the bare minimum. We also have our own funnels and one-on-one coaching for you to be able to make that first sale. What else is there to say? So as I mentioned, that there is the pre-made funnels done for you, and most importantly, the training on how to use them, so you're not kind of stuck with funnels and not knowing how to navigate them for the sale. Their training is also there's something called the Builderall University. This is a training that is created for beginners and does not require any coding knowledge and comes complete with support. All the funnels are downloadable. So you have the opportunity to download the funnels, and here you can see download this funnel and edit them as you see fit. So you can personalize the funnel. Sometimes putting that personal touch on the funnel is what's going to help you get the sale. Put a little bit of yourself into it. Excuse me, I'm just reading my notes. The Builderall Funnel Club is ideal for digital marketers who are looking to build a brand online. It comes complete with all of Builderall's tools, which are pivotal for building a successful brand. And it's also a great tool for agency owners, okay, who are looking to provide residual income to their repertoire. Having these funnels here, so this is a good opportunity to show you guys the niche funnels. These are all, give them a second to load, funnels for the different niches. Of course, they're the more popular niches that you can go out to show them the funnels and ultimately make a sale for them to log on to create a Builderall account, which is going to help them in their business. So here we have one. I like the financial coach one. That's a big one on TikTok. And then Yeah, so on TikTok, very popular for, you see a lot of financial coaches, and on Instagram, you have an opportunity to hop in their inbox and provide them with a funnel. Of course, remembering that people don't, even though they're tuning into their content, people often don't hire them for coaches until they're walked through the sales process, right? And of course, having this optimized funnel gives them an opportunity to collect their emails and continue to engage with them, providing them with that value ladder that they need in order to convert them into a customer. Builderall also has here, give me 1 second. Back here, this is our homepage, what you see when you log in. And if you go here, you can see the apps. We have several apps. We have a magazine builder, giving you an opportunity to go out and create magazines for any business. We have our mock-up studios. Of course, there's the video funnel builder. It provides you with a hosting platform for videos. So if you want to have, for instance, more popular for people in the e-learning platform, a video that is not hosted on YouTube, Builderall gives you an opportunity to host that video, to post it on your website. Another thing that's very popular is the chatbot. Let me see where that is. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. No, this is a. Messenger bot. Gives you an opportunity to build chatbots. So you should know that chatbots go for hundreds of dollars. This is actually the Facebook one. And here you have it in Builderall, all provided for with that one membership per month. If you are familiar with WordPress and you prefer to use WordPress, we actually do have the WordPress platform, and again, that's built in to your one-time payment. You have an opportunity to post to build on the WordPress platform if you feel more comfortable. But what I can recommend to you is using the Cheetah website. Now, the Cheetah website is our which is our top of the line website builder. Its SEO is unmatched, okay? And you have an opportunity to build unlimited websites here. As you can see, these are just some of mine. I have some for my clients as well. Here's I'll provide the link for, which is pretty popular for those of you in the affiliate marketing niche. I provided an affiliate marketing Bible. It's what I use as my lead magnet on how to crush affiliate marketing. What it is a glossary providing you with terms that are familiar in the affiliate marketing niche. Sometimes once you begin affiliate marketing, you hear, value ladder. Again, I provided you with a definition for funnels. Those are all things that you're not familiar with. I provided a little, what I call Bible of terms for those of you that are interested in that. I do think that that's a very important thing. Builderall, here it is, the chat builder. It also provides a webinar builder. So webinars are big in the info products niche. You have an opportunity to provide your clientele with webinars built out here with Builderall. WooCommerce is also an e-commerce platform. You have an opportunity to build out with them if you're familiar with that particular platform that is popular on the web. So again, Builderall is an all-inclusive digital platform that provides you with a variety of different tools for you to navigate bringing your small business onto the web and promoting to small businesses. One thing I do also want to point out is the training. So for those of you that are brand new, you have the opportunity to have training right there for you to help you right out of the gate, and it's not any additional cost. You have the quick start training, which is going to provide you with training So here, again, I mentioned Builderall University, and that's where you can find it right here. You have what's brand new is our Facebook ads course. So for those of you that want to utilize Facebook ads but are not familiar with Facebook ads, we do have a course already built in for you to learn how to post Facebook ads. And for those of you that join my team, I also have super exclusive course that you get access to. So yeah, that's pretty much. If you have any questions about Builderall, just check the description. You'll find my contact information. And for anybody that joins my team, not only do you get access to all of this, but you get several bonuses, one of which includes a one-on-one where I go with you through the Builderall platform, and we kind of identify what your likes and dislikes are, what tools you kind of gel with, and how you can utilize that tool throughout the web. So one more thing that's important is that you have someone to walk you through the process as a beginner. Thank you.